Bunnies. For today's video, we're going to be doing a wig unboxing. I saw this wig in my local beauty supply store. It was $19.99. My AC just came on and just noticed that. Anyways, so the wig is from Red Carpet. You know I love me a red carpet wig. I literally just took my lace fronts off because I had a lace front on earlier today, but I literally took it off so I could do this video. So the name of the wig is Lala. It's RCP1004 Lala, and the color is SR2 over creamy blonde. Now I really wanted to do a blonde wig, and I haven't had bangs in a while, right? So this is her fresh out of the box. Taking off the net. I tried her on in the store, but I tried it on with my lace front wig on, so it was kind of poofy when I put her on, which, you know, is gonna happen because I had the wig on. But I like this style. And then there's this one particular style that I do want to try where it's like a half up, half down with the bangs. I really want to try that, and it was $19.99. I'm not gonna pass that up. Right, so this is the color. Oh my gosh, that's the color there with the bangs. And I feel like this would be good because it does have the dark roots on it. So yeah, let me adjust it. Oh gosh, I'm scared, bro. I am so scared. Because I have worn blonde before, but this is a creamy blonde, not an ash blonde. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's actually a lot lighter than I expected it. Because again, I tried it on with the wig underneath, so I didn't really get the full, you know. But she is not bad. She's very light. Oh, very, very light. Not like super thick. Pull it back a little bit because it's like, where's my hairline? My hairline is there. Okay. So if this is your first time wearing a full wig, here's a wig. Oh, I could see a braid going across right here. That would be so cute. So this is your first time wearing a full wig. I feel like I should be wearing sleeveless, like no sleeves at all, something like that. Yeah, that'll be cute. Oh, that's cute right there. Let's leave that like that. My arms should be out, these big old arms. But oh, that's kind of cute actually. So yeah, you want to make sure you feel for the tabs on the side. There are two hard plastic tabs right here, and those you want to put on your temples. And you want to make sure the line of the wig, the hairline of the wig, this part goes on your natural hairline so that it gives the best fit and the best look. Pull it all the way down in the nape. I think I want to tighten it a little bit more though. I want it to be snug because this doesn't have any combs inside of it. Okay. Yeah, that's snug. Make sure all the hairs are out. Okay, now this is like really covering my eyes though. It looks good, but can I see? That's the question. Can I see is the question. Oh, this is super cute. So I'm gonna try to do a half up, half down thing. No tangles, no shedding. Of course, it's brand new, so I'm not expecting that. Because it's not super long, it should not tangle super easily. That's how it looks in the back. Stiff wear. Yes. Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no. But yeah, this is cute. If I step back, I can see better. Ugh, I need a mirror because this what is this called? I don't even know what this is called. It's doing in the opposite direction, so it's weird. But yeah, so I want to try half up, half down, something like that. And maybe spread the bangs out. Oh, that's cute. Pull this back. Oh, that is cute, sis. Yes, that is cute. Oh, That is cute. If I do a full ponytail, sis. Ooh. Oh, you can see my kitchen. It's not cute back there. So yeah, let's not do a full ponytail. Let's do a half up, half down. Gotta get some hair ties and a brush and probably a better mirror so I can see what I'm doing. But if you did want to put this in a half up, half down style, it would be so easy. This wig, if you can find it at your local beauty supply store, get it. I checked online and I do think some places have it for $15. So if you don't mind the wait time, I'll leave the links in the description bar to the sites that I found that have it for $15 so that it's easier for you to just click and go. But yeah, so far so good. And after all of that, there is a little tangle, but she likes a lot. Put my sleeves back down. Push it to the back. Yeah, it definitely looks better worn back than forward. Low ponytail. Come through, Mary J. Blige. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna do the half up, half down. Dealy wheelie. Stiff wear. Okay. So we likes. If you guys, you know what, let me do it and come back and do the outro. All right, give me a minute. My house just got so noisy all of a sudden. Jesus Christ. Okay, I am recording. So this is the half up, half down thing I was trying to do. Here is where the problem lies. Because it's a blonde. Oh, what that? Oh. Hang up your phone.
You got that phone hold on the WhatsApp.
Oh.
I hung up.
Because it's blonde, when you pull it up and it's not a lace front, you're gonna see all these little tracks and shit on the sides. So if you get it in black, what are you doing?
I thought maybe I could see through that.
We just like, chick, what you watch me for? Oh God. Internet, I am so sorry.
Are you live?
I'm not live. What editor? Jesus.
This is good for bloopers.
Me don't want no blooper. Who that? Hi, Nika.
She's recording and I'm bothering her. Everybody say hi. I'm not live, but she still uses the footage.
So if you do decide to get the blonde, and they do have darker shades with highlights, but if you do decide to get the blonde, you're gonna have to work some way around it, either using black spray or some kind of color spray just to camouflage the tracks that you're seeing on the side. For the back, I really did not want to leave it down, but to hide the tracks in the back, you're gonna have to leave it down. In a top knot, it's so much cuter. Like in a top knot like that. And she's still talking while I'm talking. Jesus Christ.
I love you.
If any of you are considering doing YouTube, make sure there's no one around you while you're filming, because it's not gonna promote good. Case in point. But this is the wig. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Again, I will try to leave links for you guys to where you can find this in the description bar, so check that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pull this back. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Stiff wiener.